Now, for the trade and other payables, if they ask you for the note, you first need what you call creditors control. Remember, the creditors control are the same as trade payables, okay?
Yes, sir.
And then you must add any accrued expenses. You must add any income received in advance. Okay. What else? Yeah. Okay. You know, sometimes if, for example, okay, right so that you can be able to listen to me, because I'm not sure whether you're still writing or not.
I'm with you, sir. I'm done writing.
Okay. And you know, sometimes if you are renting a room, you know, the first month they normally ask you for a deposit. I'm asking.
Yes.
You know that, ne? Is that deposit theirs or yours?
Yes.
Is it
It's
the
theirs.
deposit? No, it's not. When you decide to go, they will give you a deposit, provided that the apartment is still in a good condition. So deposits are refundable. So if you pay, let's say they say rent is 5,000, but the first month is 10,000, meaning that 5,000 they're just keeping it safe for now. So when you decide to leave the apartment, they're gonna say, okay, let's check the walls. Are they still in a good condition? So if everything is still in a good condition, they will give you a 5,000 back. Can you see now?
Yes, sir.
So, but remember, if you are the one, let's say you are the one who made a deposit, that deposit is your deposit, ne? It means it was supposed to come under trade and other receivables here. You were supposed to add it here as what? Deposit. Maybe it's for rent or even for municipality or for water. Let's say deposit for water or even rent. It can be municipality. As long as it's a deposit, is refundable. So it will be a current asset. It will be under what? Trade and other receivables. But if you received that money from someone as a deposit, remember here you are the one who deposited. It is an asset, it's your money. But if someone is renting your apartment and they gave you the deposit already, that deposit will come here. I don't know if it makes sense. The deposit will come here.
Yes, sir.
So you must make a decision. So make sure that you know. No, I tricky one. It's the deposit for water. It can be for rent. It can be for municipality.
So would you add it as well?
But under a different, yeah, I will edit, but under a different category. Can you see now? It shows that it's a liability to me. Sorry, this system is not doing what I want. Can you see? I will also edit here, but remember, it shows that it's under liabilities. Can you see? Under the trade and other payables.
Yes, sir.
So I want you to remember this. So you must know when to bring it here. What did I do here? I don't know what's happening. It's just technology deposit. Oh, come on. Let me try to copy here.
That is tired.
Yeah, even the system is tired. So just know when to put the deposits here. When to put deposits here. Do you understand when to come here and when to come here?
Yes. So for trade and other receivables is when I have paid to the landlord or whoever, and then
that's true.
And then trade and other payables is when the landlord gives it back to me.
No. It
like
doesn't
at
give
the
it
end
back
of a
to you.
period.
It means you are the owner, you are the landlord when This one, it means you are the
Oh,
landlord.
I'm the landlord. Okay.
Someone, your tenant
Okay.
gave you. Your tenant gave you. You are the landlord. Here, you're not the landlord. You gave someone, you are the tenant, you gave someone the money. I don't know if it makes sense.
Yes. Now it
Yes.
makes sense.
Let's check for any creditors here. Which we don't have, it's okay.
No.
But you know that if we have them, what we're going to do, né? We don't have it.
Yes.
I think we've got accrued expenses here. Remember accrued expenses? This one of how much? 500.
500.
Yes, I'll come here and say accrued of 500. I'll also go and put it there in brackets. Remember, if they don't ask me for the notes, I must know what to do. I'll put it in 500 in brackets here. Can you see now? Plus, and then we said we also need what? Income received in advance. I think we have it here.
Yes. It's 5,400.
5,000? Yes, can you see now? 5,400 is the ink. 5,400. And I don't think we've got any deposit there. So we only have these two. If you had a deposit, you're going to put it there and you put them together there. This is 5,900.
Yes. 5,900.
You see, and then you just have to check. Okay, any other question?
Nothing so far, sir.
Now, you know, sometimes this bank, if you don't remember here, this 26,000 was for the bank because the bank was positive. It's because of.
Yes.
But what if the bank is negative? Because the bank can be unfavorable. So it won't be part of that cash and cash equivalent. It will be called bank overdraft. It will be part of what? It will be part of, but it's a standalone item. You say bank overdraft if you have it, or bank unfavorable. So it's up to you to check if the bank is favorable or unfavorable. Okay. So you will put it under the current liabilities. But here our bank is positive. That's why it is under what? Cash and cash equivalent. But if it was negative, you were supposed to put it here. I don't know if you will remember this.
Yes, I have it as notes, sir.
No problem. And remember again, this sometimes this bank, you can find that there's an information about bank here. Remember, if there's anything that affects bank here, you must also consider those things. Let's say there's a cash, we paid cash here or we received cash here, so it will affect bank. So there can be more calculations other than the one that we have here, depending if you have got any. Let's say, for example, here they say you paid someone cash now here. So if there's cash, meaning bank is going to be affected negatively. Do you understand what I mean?
Yes, sir.
So you must also check this information to check if there's something that can affect bank or not. But at the moment, we don't have those. So we just have to come here and we just have to get them together. And then we find our current liabilities here. In this case, our current liability is going to be
55,000. Oh, no, wait, sorry.
55.
No, wait, sorry. So I calculated wrong.
You're correct. 55,500, 900, ne?
900, yes.
Yes, perfect. Yeah. Can you see now? So, like I said, don't worry about balance because we're just using this. It won't balance, but I'm just saying you must just remember how to do that. So I think for the financial statements, please, more than this is going to confuse you more, but this is what you need to expect. You know, notes, financial statements. So it depends. Yeah, it depends. So this is the financial statement.
Yes, so this was my biggest issue. out of all the units.